Hello viewers, I'm here today to talk about Max Hall's item number 70205 LED trailer light kit. I'm going to show you today how to properly test or troubleshoot these lights before use. We have included our instruction manual that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to set this up. If you can't follow the manual or this video, please refer to a qualified technician or electrician to assist you. We have a great product here. Instead of using copper-coated wires, we now use pure copper wires that are insulated by a UV protected jacket. So this kit is made to withstand all kinds of weather, whether you're driving around with your trailer or have it parked in one area for a long time. I do also want to mention that this kit has to be used on trailers that are no larger than 80 inches wide. If you have a trailer that's larger than 80 inches wide, you may need a different kit or refer to DOT compliance standards. So let's get started. Upon unboxing this kit, you should have 2 tail lights, 1 curbside, 1 roadside, 2 identical amber side markers, a set of trailer connecting wires, a license plate bracket, and a bag of wire connectors, wire caps, and frame clips. What you won't have with this kit is a 12-volt battery source. You're gonna have to get this on your own. There are a variety of these and they're easy to find. This is the one that we'll be using today. So let's begin. I'm gonna start with the curbside light. The curbside light is easily identified by having 2 lights and has a green wire on it. So to test this light, we're going to take the white wire, which is ground, and we're going to attach the negative charge from the battery. Now take your positive charge and attach it to the green wire. Notice the light turns on and it's very bright. This is the brake light. The brake light is applied to the green wire. So let's disconnect it. And now let's attach the positive to the brown wire. Notice the light is a little more dim, but the side light turns on. This is going to be your running light. So this one works great. I do also want to mention that upon unboxing this, you'll find that most of the wires have already been split to make it easier for the user to test. So the curbside light is done. Now let's test the roadside light. The roadside light is easily identified by having 3 lights. It has 1 in the front, 1 in the side, and 1 clear light at the bottom to hover over your license plate. Again, our white wire is our ground wire. We're going to take our negative charge from our power source and attach it to the ground. Now take your positive and attach it to the yellow wire. You will find that the light turns on very bright and the side one is off. This is your brake light. Now take your positive and try attaching it to the brown wire. Again, we have a dim light, but the side light turns on. This is going to be your running light. So the curbside and roadside light works great. Now let's test our amber side markers. Again, the white wire is our ground. So we're going to take our negative power source and connect it to the white wire, and then take our positive power source and connect it to the brown wire. Our side marker is working great. Let's test the second one. Again, we're going to take the negative and attach it to the ground, which is the white wire, and the positive to the brown wire. Our second side marker works great. Our lights have been tested by a third-party US lab to comply with DOT standards. Thank you for watching.